dear students, in previous lecture I explained about the Mendeleev's periodic table. There you learn about the first periodic table, means first scientist also who beautifully explain the all the elements, 63 elements, present then known elements in a proper arrangement according to the atomic mass. So students, we have learned about the drawback also, means according to the mass, if you arrange, you can't place the isotopes, okay, because you know that isotopes are the same atomic number and different mass number, okay, and there are a lot of anomalous pair also present, means different cobalt is present before nickel, like this, okay, that you have learned. And similarly students, lots of elements were not discovered that time, and it has seen that atomic mass is not the proper fundamental thing related to the element. So later the atomic number basis for modern periodic law. Later modern periodic table has discovered by in 1913 by scientist Moseley. First check that atomic number is exist, okay, means before that atomic mass has calculated by the one scientist, and Mendeleev has followed that thing, and came into force, the periodic table came into force. But later in 1913, after discovery of atomic number, new periodic table has, means just same same Mendeleev periodic table has extended on behalf of atomic number, okay. So that is the modern periodic table and modern periodic law. What is modern periodic law? That is the elements present in the periodic table is the periodic property of their atomic number, okay, means with their atomic number they will periodically present in the table, okay, and their periodicity, their periodicity means their chemical and physical properties is rounded after certain number of element of the same, it will take the same property of the element, okay. So that thing has, how it has discovered the atomic number, means it has written over here, okay. He does the cathode rays experiment, okay, anode ray experiment attacked by the cathode rays, and he has seen that each and every element show different wavelength light is coming. When suppose one element has kept here, then forcefully that cathode ray has strike on it, then a one wavelength light will go away. Similarly all different elements will show different wavelengths, okay, generated different wavelengths from different elements. Hence what happens, he discovered that there is a positive, means positive presence inside the nucleus he discovered, and that positive is called nucleus. It means proton, okay, you know that proton number means the number of positive charge present on that element. So on behalf of that, the atomic number sense has come, and he discovered that, okay. So what is the exact law, what is the exact table, we will just follow, okay. So here you can see that the number of positive charge present in the nucleus of the atom, okay. 1 minute. Number of positive charge present in the nucleus of the atom particular element is called the atomic number of the element. And here you can see modern periodic law. Physical and chemical properties of elements are periodic function of the atomic number, okay. This is the modern periodic law according to the Moseley, because Moseley says that atomic number is the better fundamental property than the atomic mass. Hence the periodic the periodic table has totally rearranged, okay, in the same manner. It's just like same like Mendeleev, but new element also placed, and extended version of Mendeleev periodic table has discovered, has represented, basically you can say that is called modern periodic table, okay. And here the explanation of Mendeleev's classification position of the isotope. Since all isotope of an element have same number of proton, their atomic number is also same, and since all isotope of the element have the same atomic number, they can put the same position in the periodic table. So there is no problem regarding the isotope, because isotope means all isotope means same atomic number, in the same place they can fall. Okay. Similarly, position of anomalous pair. Okay, atomic number of argon is 18, its mass number is 40. Okay, while atomic number of potassium is 19, mass number is 39. So according to the modern periodic law, element arranged in the increasing order of the atomic number. So potassium is present before the argon. Okay, potassium with higher atomic number is said come later. Okay, you can see here, sorry, potassium come later than the argon 18. Argon will be placed first, then the and you know, in this table also we scientists include the noble gas also as the 18 group, in the 18 group, or 0 according to the Mendeleev's table. Okay, so similar way position of cobalt and nickel also justified. So all the anomaly means the anomalies was there in the Mendeleev table, that all vanished in this new modern periodic table, and this is the longest form of periodic table of the element, you can say. Okay, so you can see the notation of Mendeleev periodic table also given 1A, 2A, okay, 3A, 4A, 5A, okay, 3B, 4B, 5B, according to the Mendeleev periodic table. And modern periodic table also named by using that 1 to 18. Okay, according to Mendeleev periodic table, that is zero group. Okay, present in the 0 group, but in according to modern it is in the 18 group. Okay, so there is also 18 group and 7 periods, 7 periods and 18 group. Some this S block, 4 block is there, SPDF, S block, D block, P block, and below that is F block. Okay, noble gas also part of the P block element, 4 block. Okay, that all divisions are there, proper divisions are there. This S block also known as representative elements, D block are also called transition element, and S and P block are also known as representative element, and some noble gases are these are called noble gases. So student, this is it, the modern periodic table. I hope you little bit understand the modern periodic law. Here you can see element are arranged with the increasing order of the atomic number. Okay, number of valence electron occur regular interval. So one left to right, one valence electron is increasing. Suppose from left, from hydrogen it has start hydrogen 1, helium 2, and then lithium 3, beryllium 4, one valence electron is increasing. Okay, and you know, and in the table also same type of A is coming, outermost electron is coming. Suppose in this series if you say hydrogen 1 electron, lithium also 1 electron, sodium outer electron is 1, sodium 2 8 1, lithium 2 1. So outer number of electron is same, that means their valency is same. So as valency same, so their combining capacity also same, hence their properties also, chemical and physical properties also quite same. Okay, as they below they are heavy, so there maybe their physical properties are little bit different, means maybe some in liquid, some in solid. Generally metals are in solid, but their 95% properties, physical and chemical properties are same, because their valence electron same, and their valency as the valency same, so their properties also same. So students, it's more easy, more acceptable table. Okay, more acceptable periodic table nowadays it is using. So here you can see 1A is called 1 to 18, 0 group is 18 according to the union IUPAC, that IUPAC, International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry, that is the organization who will provide all the necessary information, any change or everything related to the chemistry. Okay, so that is the group number from 1 to 18, replacing the older notation. Okay, so that older notation replaced by the new notation according to the IUPAC. So here you can see consider a group of a periodic table. For example, first group element lithium, sodium, potassium, atomic number 3 dash respect, they are good reducing agent, they are form unipositive ion because valency is 1, they are soft metal, very reactive because their outer electron 1, you know, they will rapidly release the electron and they will convert it to they want to take the electronic configuration of noble gas, then impart color to the flame, okay, form hydride with hydrogen and form basic oxides with oxygen. Student, why basic oxide? Because they will release electron and they will form positive. Metal oxides are basic, you need to remember, and acidic non-metal oxides will form acid, metal oxide will form base, okay. That you need to remember. React with water to form metal hydroxide and hydrogen, okay. All these elements have one electron in their outermost shell, so they have similar properties. I already explained this thing, okay. So by giving this example, it has seen that thus the cause of periodicity is the same number of electrons in the outermost orbit, that is recurrence of the similar electronic configuration, okay. So that is the thing, students. As their valence is same, their properties also remain same. So up to this 84. Some features, aligned feature of modern periodic table has given here. You can see vertical column in the periodic table is called group and horizontal rows are called periods, okay. Already you know the modern periodic table has 18 vertical column. There is nothing to understand, very easy, okay. Elements subgroup A, 1A, 2A, 1A, 2A, 3A, 4A, they are naming as 1, 2, 13, 14, okay, 13, 14, 16. Known as main group element or representative element or the normal element, okay. So just remember this thing. Maybe question used to come, which are the representative elements, which group element, which block elements are called representative element, that you need to know, okay. These elements have their outermost shells incomplete, okay. Elements of group number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, these are called transition element, their outermost shells are incomplete, okay. They are one outermost cell incomplete and they are two for transition elements, their two outermost cells are incomplete, okay. Elements in the zero group, they are inert gas because they are not a noble gas or inert gas because they are stable electronic configuration, they are total completed, their cells are not incomplete. Now come to the periods, 7 horizontal rows, okay. They are that 7 horizontal rows are called periods, okay. Vertical column, they are above below, that vertical column is called groups and horizontal row is known as the periods. You just remember this thing. The number of cells present in the atom determines by their period in its period, as it's clear in the table 5.2, okay. Number of cells means, suppose students, sodium electronic atomic number 11, that means 281, so it is present in third period because see 1 2 3 1 2 3, okay. That means its electronic configuration will say in which period it is present, okay. Once you will check, see third period, okay, third period. So once you check the electronic configuration will say its position of the period, okay. The first period contain two element, hydrogen and helium, that is called shortest period. Second, third period short period, fourth, fifth period long period, sixth period longest period with 32 elements. That is also maybe the question will come. And here group 2b, group number 3, the sixth period, set of elements with atomic number 57 to 71, lanthanum to lutetium, they are called lanthanum to lutetium, that is called lanthanides, okay. And actinides, you just remember this thing, they are radioactive elements and rare earth element. In 3b and 3b, 7th period and 6th period, 6th and 7th period, lanthanides and actinides present. They are lanthanides started from 57 to 71, La to Lu, first element La and last Lu. Similarly, actinide start from 89 to 103, Ac to Lr. Okay, you just remember started with actinium. Maybe the question, simple 1 mark question will come. And type of elements there, you can see elements can be classified representative, transition, inert gas. Okay, that inert transition are known as this lanthanide actinides. Okay, so the representative S and P block element, and their individual name has given. S block has group 1 and 2 and P block 3, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Their individual name, student. Alkali metal series. Second is alkaline earth metal, 13 boron, 14 carbon, 15 nitrogen, 16 oxygen, 17 halogen. Just up to this portion I am explaining today, and next class from the next page. Thank you.